Hi everyone, this is Annalisa. Welcome back. Today I am making a double swipe. My pillow paint is Color to Go Anchors Away. I really like this paint. It's got a really nice consistency and my colors sit nicely over the top. I'd originally started thinking that I was going to do a loaded palette swipe, but then decided not to. I decided to just do a regular swipe. My first color was ColourArte Abalone Shell. My next color is ColourArte Tuscan Sun, followed by ColourArte Pink Diamond, and then ColourArte Neptune Gaze. And just so you know, I am a ColourArte affiliate. Until July 22nd, ColourArte is having a sale, and my coupon code will get you 25% off on that sale. Anyway, so I was making this swipe and I decided to try something different as I was pulling down. And normally I just don't do this. It was kind of a last minute decision, and once I did it, I went, oh no, is it gonna work? And so I kept going in the hopes that this was gonna turn out, and figured I was probably gonna have to scrape it. But I was actually really surprised that this one did not need to be scraped. It actually turned out really well, and is actually one that I just recently resined to be a part of my upcoming exhibit, which has been taking all of my time lately. I've been getting all of my paintings all resined and ready to go. I was trying to link the two together somehow, so sometimes if you add a swirly at the very end, it just helps link the two. Anyway, that's my swipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing. Thanks. Have a great day.